So you may have just picked up your Samsung Galaxy tablet and you're wondering, how do you go through and set it up? Now the setup process is very basic. Now number one, you're going to come into your splash screen. So from here, you can choose the language that you want that's right on top of that start menu button. So you can go through, change up your language, and you can also go through and change some accessibility settings if you want to. Now, when you're ready, you can click start. The first page is just going to have you agree to their terms of service. So you can go through the terms of service and basically just read them. Now their easy setup, with another device is a very important part of this too. Now, this will allow you to bring in your data from an existing Android phone or even an iPad. So if you already have it, if you have another Android device set up or an iPad, I'd recommend just transferring it. But if not, you can still also set up manually. So tap setup manually, and then you'll have the capability of adding a Wi-Fi network. Now in this case, you can add a Wi-Fi network if you really want to, or you can go through and also adjust it and change it depending on what you want to do. Now in this case, this Wi-Fi network I have right here needs to be logged in via a browser. So I will have to go through and log into a browser, but log into your Wi-Fi network, and that's basically one of the main things I'd recommend doing. Now if you don't have Wi-Fi, you can also click on turn off Wi-Fi right there, and it will skip your Wi-Fi setup, and it will also skip your login information and all those things that you might have to do as well, but you can always set up those things as you continue on. So in this case, you can click on skip, and it'll allow you to kind of skip those things for now. Now, it will also allow you to adjust your date and your time settings. So your time zone you're in, your date, your time, you can go through and adjust those things right inside of this panel as well. Clicking on next, you can go ahead and actually add in your password and your PIN information that you actually want to go ahead and change. So from here, what you can do is you can go ahead and set up your face recognition, your PIN, your password, any of those things that you want to, any of these biometrics. You can go right into here. You can go through and adjust these, and it can also protect your tablet at the exact same time. Now in this case, you can set it up, or you can go and skip it. Now it's also going to have you basically go through and basically, allow your Google services. So this is another thing. I'd recommend going through here and basically setting up your Google services and just giving it access to here and clicking on accept. And also it's going to allow you to basically enable your Samsung services. So from this page, you'll be able to see your auto blocker, customization services, personal data intelligence, all these other panels that you can kind of adjust. And you can go right into here and tap on agree. Now it's going to ask you to enter your date of birth. So right over here, you can enter your date of birth. So whatever your date of birth is, you can go right into here and basically just log in just like this. And then you can type in next. And then you can choose your display side. So whether you want to have a display mode of light or dark, it's totally up to you. You can go right into here and you can adjust it whether you want to stay on light mode or you want to go on dark mode. It's kind of up to you, but that is kind of an idea that you kind of have right over here. From here, you can click on next, and then it will go ahead and start setting it up a little bit. And then what you'll be able to do is basically make your way over into your home screen. So it now says that we're all set up, and you can tap on home. And now you've made it over into your home screen. You'll hear a little chime, and then you're basically good to go. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.